Welcome to my chaos. Culinary arts, I mean, cooking, it's a lot about taking chaos and turning it into something orderly and wonderful and beautiful. But our job is to get our students trained up where they can come through our program here at University High and go get a job anywhere in food service, whether it's a restaurant or a nursing home or a hospital or a college campus, or, any sort of food service situation. They should be able to walk in, get a job, and excel really, really quickly and move on up that ladder where they're not going to be stuck at a minimum wage, entry level kind of a position for very long. So that's the idea. Get them ready to go. Get them something that can help them get to where they need to go. Let's see. It's a 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a 4-course lunch. So we're starting everybody out with a Spanish-style gazpacho. It's a chilled vegetable soup, kind of heavy on the tomatoes, but some beautiful garnishes, and it's lovely to eat and very refreshing in this hot weather. Good way to start out. From that, we're moving to our salad. Today we've got an arugula salad and an orange vinaigrette and garnishes that include diced avocado, orange supremes, sliced olives. Just some really nice flavor combinations. Kind of a Spanish influence that we've got going today from Old World Spain. Our entree today is what's called a Spanish tortilla. Now, it's not like a corn tortilla, it's a baked omelet. The reason they call it a tortilla, it's round, it's relatively flat, like a tortilla. But basically it's an oven-baked omelet. And it's got bacon, it's got Yukon Gold potatoes, caramelized onions, really heavy on a sheep's milk cheese, manchego, which is a really delicious kind of a nutty cheese, and a little bit of fresh thyme. We'll be serving that up with a pretty intense, spicy salsa verde, but a very, very creamy texture. It pairs nicely with the eggs. Then for dessert, we've got the ultimate chocolate cookie. It's the mudslide cookie. We've got a little blueberry sauce with that, a really intense, thickened walnut-infused cream, and some candied walnuts. It makes a beautiful plate presentation. So the kids are having a blast with this. I've got some really good cooks in here. Everything we're doing is from scratch, including our salad dressings. So our diners are in for a real treat when they come here. Yeah, so last year we started doing a cafe day, which will produce a menu just like what I've described. So that's one of the things that we do, and we're open to basically to the public. I mean, anybody can make a reservation, come in, and for a little bit of money, have a really great meal. One of the best meals in town. I don't think I'm bragging too much on that, but it's really outstanding food. Another way my kids get real world experience, we do a lot of catering. Whenever there's a school play, 1,500 people show up, we'll do 5,000 individual hors d'oeuvres and serve them out at events like that. We've got an upcoming event at the zoo for Transformation Waco. 300 people will be there, sampling food, reading recipes, interacting with the kids. We serve out Thanksgiving meals at the elementary schools around Waco. Last year we participated in the big HEB fundraiser for Waco ISD, the Celebrity Chef Cook-Off. And our kids had prepared absolutely outstanding food, and we walked away with the 2 top honors. We got Best Chef, or Top Chef award, and we got the award for the best entree. It was all stuff that the kids had done. They gave us the award, but it was the kids that got it.
I find it very satisfying because it just makes me know that they're having a great lunch, and seeing their smiles on their faces just makes me know that I helped them have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, that's kind of funny. A lot of times the kids won't really let on. They don't want you to know, don't want me to know that they're really excited, but they are. They are. And it's been really wonderful watching them progress. You know, now some of the students that I've got, I had them as freshmen. And now they're juniors and seniors and coming on through. And just watching that change that happens within them as they grow and mature a little bit and get more experience in the kitchen. My seniors now in my practicum class, you know, they've been in culinary now for 4 years. The class that's just about to come in here in just a couple of minutes and serve this food out for lunch. Many times I don't even have to tell them what to do. I just hand them a recipe, turn them loose, and I'll stop by their station and check, see how they're doing. They know what to do. They get it done and they're really good at it.
I am making a dessert with mudslide cookies, walnut cream, and blackberry sauce. I just like seeing how everyone gets amazed by how they look.
So one of the things we really coach the kids on is a nice presentation. So you know, Chef Ruark and I will do a demo of how we want the salad plate to look, or the soup plate to look, or the entree plate to look. And we make sure that the kids are not just, you know, slopping stuff on a plate. I mean, it's got to be artfully presented in a way that looks appetizing and will stimulate the desire of our diners to dig in and enjoy the food even more. So the visual element is very important, I think. Well, my hope is, in addition to the job skills that they will have acquired and hopefully be able to go and get a good paying job, a well-paying job, that can get them through further school and down the path they want to go in life. In addition to that, if we can give them a chance here to broaden their palate, train their taste buds, try new things, taste as they go, learn how to make a meal that will not just make them happy, but will make their loved ones and family members happy for the rest of their lives. If we've given them that, we've really given them, I think, a worthwhile gift.
It will give me more opportunities in the work field. It will help me with knowing more going through college life. And honestly, I just think in the future, when I have my own family, it's going to help me in the long run. So
we really appeal to you as supporters of WISD to take advantage of this, come and eat with us, either to go or dine in. Either way, you know, basically we looked at our menu that we've got today. Any restaurant, it'd be a $27 lunch. Here, it's $15. I mean, we're a little bit subsidized. So, you know, you're getting a great deal, excellent food. Yeah, got to be a little bit patient with the kids. They're just learning how to serve, but it works out. And I just think it's a great thing for the kids and for our diners.
Yeah, I'm thankful so much for Chef Oz. He's helped me so much in the kitchen. He's taught me multiple things that I never knew that even existed in the cooking field. He's been teaching me step by step and knowing more, and he's teaching me steps that, you know, are easy to understand, and he takes it at my own pace.
Right now we're trying to do our cafe days twice a month. Now that'll change a little bit in November and December. December, I think we've only got one cafe day because of the Christmas holidays. November, you know, we've got a break in November around Thanksgiving. But what we try to focus on in November is holiday pies and holiday side dishes, things that you can freeze and then take out of the freezer and warm them up. So stuff like a chili cheese grits casserole, a green bean casserole, southern cornbread dressing, you know, dishes, traditional Thanksgiving dishes like that, turkey gravy, cranberry sauce, all these things that could be frozen. So the entire month of November, that's what we'll be doing. Pumpkin pie, buttermilk pie, sweet potato pie, pecan pie, apple pie, and then the side dishes that can go with your turkey, with your big bird. So that's how it kind of runs, but basically normal month, not a big holiday month, we'll do 2 cafe days a month. So second and fourth Thursday usually. So that's kind of how it's shaking out.
Well, it's never a dull moment in the kitchen with Chef Oz or Chef Ruark and my classmates.
We make this food for you at the U. Come see us.